We are going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 5 with 5G. Left side of the box says Google. Right side of the box says 5G. Top of the box has a Google branding. Bottom of the box says Pixel 5, 5G, mmWave, and Sub 6. 6-inch model, 128 gigabyte, just black. Includes Pixel 5, 18-watt USB-C power adapter, charging cable, and quick switch adapter. And all your requirements and everything. Please recycle. Bottom of the box merely says Team Pixel, nothing else. Let's open this thing up. First presentation. Second presentation. All items out of their packaging. You got USB-C to USB-C cable. You have the Pixel 5G phone itself, and a USB regular to USB-C transfer adapter, 18-watt charging brick, your key to open up your SIM slot, some instructions on setting up and using the quick switch cables that they gave you, and some other information. Right side of the device has a power button. Underneath of it is a volume toggle switch. Other side of the device has a SIM card slot. Bottom of the device has a USB-C port and two bottom firing speakers. Top of the device has a microphone. Back of the device has a fingerprint reader, a camera hub with a flash, two cameras and a sensor, and the Google branding. And that's it, my brothers and sisters. Google on.